Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, like, comment, and share my videos with your family and friends. When it comes to kitchen, bigger isn't always better. The most experienced chef knows how that you don't need a ton of space or non-essential equipment to produce a stunning meal. A small kitchen where everything required to prep and cook is within arm's reach can make everyday cooking more efficient and stress-free. Easier to clean and maintain. A smaller kitchen encourage you to focus on the essential and eliminate clutter, and can feel especially cozy and inviting with thoughtful design and decor. Check out this stylish compact space saving kitchen in range of styles that have everything you need to cook for yourself as a crowd. The small kitchen can be built on a slight platform, then delineate it from the rest of the apartment, decorated with bright white cabinetry, subway tiles, and OSB scents that add warmth and texture. A slim custom built-in bar helps to visually divide the space, provide extra counter space for meal prep, and has a slide out and components that doubles it good for dining with white bar stools and disappears into the background when not in use. Kindly subscribe my channel and like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. One way to keep a small kitchen space feeling light and airy is to use open shelving instead of super cabinetry, which can make a small space feel cramped and claustrophobic. The key to making this work is keeping those open shelves neatly styled bloggers from a beautiful mess cap to a small U-shaped kitchen feeling light, bright and airy with an all-white palette that includes floating open corner shelving to store dishware, spices and pantry staples, a cool toned silver stove and stainless steel oven will create a focal point in the summary of the space, and neatly arranged contents of the shelves make the small space feel lived in and organized at the same time. The small kitchen has charming boards and period for plates. Thank you for watching my video.